Hello everyone, iWave Systems coming up with our rich expertise in QNX.
Let's start with introduction of QNX. QNX Neutrino Autos is built on a true microkernel architecture. It was developed by Canadian company Quantum Software Systems in the early 1980s. Later renamed as QNX Software Systems and ultimately acquired by BlackBerry in 2010. QNX was one of the first commercially successful microkernel operating systems.
One of the best commercial autos which is being used, time tested and field proven in many leading automotive medical fields. QNX is highly reliable since it has high level of fault containment and it's safety certified. Provides security features like secure boot, encrypted file system, ASLR privilege levels for processors. Developers can quickly port other legacy open source OS like Linux and Unix to QNX as it's a POSIX compliance certified.
What makes QNX unique? Variety of options for building reliable world-class infotainment systems. Highly optimized OpenGL based graphics framework for instrument clusters. Functionally safe software foundation to deliver an advanced driver assistance system. We have successfully ported QNX on our various development platforms like Renesas RZ G1H Qseven, NXP iMS8 QuadMax and NXP iMS6. Our vast expertise in different device driver development and interfaces like Ethernet, CAN, USB, HDMI, SATA, SPI, I2C, eMMC, GPIO, Watchdog, PWM, audio and etc. We are providing customization of BlackBerry's QNX STP with custom features as per the customer's requirements. Highlights of iWave's developments in QNX. Startup program customization and RAM configuration. Developed drivers like PWM, TPU, RTC, Watchdog and UART. Solution for Ethernet packet loss. Support for DevCTL commands implementation. Network features like SSH, UDP, multicast sending or receiving, NFS, etc. Flashed different file system like QNX PowerSafe, NTFS through SD or eMMC, USB and network, etc. Thank you for watching our video. For more details, please visit our website www.iwavesystems.com or please send us an email to mktg@iwavesystems.com.